With that, I'd like to welcome Michael Schneider of mobile Roadie. Michael, are you there? Welcome, Michael. Thank you for doing this amazing application. So, can you show us?
Of course.
Good.
Yeah.
Let's go to the bar. To the bar. There are no drinks, but and see it in action.
Great. Before we begin, how many people have iPhones in the audience? Okay. How many people used to have an iPhone and gave it up for something else? All right. Well, for those of you that don't have iPhones, I'm going to be making some announcements later on to address Android and BlackBerry and other things. But for now, I'm really excited to show you this application. So if you haven't already downloaded it, go into the App Store. It's a free download. Type in LeWeb. It's one word, and it'll take a few seconds. You should have it on your phone. So starting off with the home screen, can we get the, there we go. So the application is automatically going to tell you how many updates have happened since you last opened the application. These updates are divided into two areas. Fan updates is your activity, so your photos and your comments, and then we have official updates, which are from the web. You can also scroll through the home screen, just flick through it, and you're going to be able to see a list of all the partners here at LeWeb. The news section, which is the first tab on the bottom, is divided into three areas. Official news is from the LeWeb blog. You can also comment on everything.
Wait, official news doesn't, it sounds corporate, but you give me an opportunity here to say that we have about 100, I think. If not, it's like 50 or 100 official bloggers. So any official bloggers in the room? Yeah, here we go. Coming from, I think, 20 plus countries. And we open the blog to them, and the blog also goes on TechMeme. So they look for not corporate information about the web, just because I don't have time to do that anyway, but for guest blogs posts from our official bloggers.
So this is official news and official bloggers.
Exactly.
Yeah. OK, great. We're taking all of your Twitter activity. You have official tweets, which I guess is also official blogger tweets, and then we also have @replies. If you use the official hashtag of LeWeb, which is #LeWeb, it will also pick up here. And lastly, Buzz. We're taking whatever Google News finds about this conference and automatically pulling it into the app in real time. Here you have a full list of the sessions, so it's very easy to see the schedule. But it's not just a list, it's a lot more than that. If you click on a session, you're going to see the basics, who's speaking, when they're speaking, and where. You're going to be able to say you're going to a session. This is even more than it seems because you can click on someone's name and see their Twitter profile. So it's a great way to meet and connect with people that you don't already know. So Facebook and Twitter are baked right into this app. If you say you're going to session, if you upload a photo, if you upload a comment, it's automatically, with your permission, going to go back to your Facebook and Twitter feed. If you go to Twitter, it's going to add #LeWeb for you, so you don't need to do that. You can comment on any particular session, and you can upload photos and see the other photos that other people have uploaded. So other than Ustream's own iPhone app, this is the first app ever to integrate Ustream into it. So if you're running a little bit late in the morning or you're not on stage right now, you can watch the conference live from anywhere in the world. You can also comment and watch archives of previous LeWeb conferences, including last year.
And all the videos will be available on Ustream. You give me an opportunity as well to thank our Ustream friends who have made this possible. So it's the first tool, right? Ustream in an iPhone app?
Very first one. And I would also like to thank Ustream. Mobile Roadie and Ustream techs and engineers worked very, very hard on this. So it's very exciting.
If you turn it, it goes full screen. It's very cool. I see some of you doing it.
You actually have to tap to make it full screen.
Yeah, just tap.
Yes.
Absolutely.
You can also see the comment stream on the Ustream tab.
And there's more.
There's more. Full attendees list for you. You can see flags from where everybody is from. You can also see people's photos. If you gave your Twitter handle when you signed up for LeWeb, your name's going to automatically be linked to your Twitter feed. So this is a great way to connect and meet new people. Chat is your general place to talk about LeWeb. So you can upload photos, upload general comments. Again, all of that activity goes back to Facebook and Twitter. We have some maps, conference hall, and lounges. They're pinchable, they're zoomable, help you get around. Full list of speakers. And of course, if you click on a speaker, you can see in more detail their photo and their bio. Some useful practical information for those that aren't that familiar with Paris, including the metro stop and a link into Google Maps. Photos. So these are the official photos, but they're also pulling in Flickr. So whatever is on Flickr for LeWeb, it's pulling it in. Right now, this is mostly last year's photos, but I have a feeling that's going to change pretty fast. You can click on a photo and see it in detail. You can also share a photo and save a photo. We have videos. So this is the YouTube channel for LeWeb. Again, this is mostly last year's content right now. I have a feeling that's going to change quickly. You can play it from your iPhone, and you can comment on a video. Links, this is pretty much everything else. This goes out to the web, but it opens in an in-app browser, so it will not take you out of the application. And user accounts. This is your privacy area. So if for whatever reason you want to log out from your Twitter or Facebook account, you can do it here with one click. So this is also our first app, I don't know if I told you this, to have language support. So if your phone is in one of these 7 languages, the system prompts and the viral messages that go back to Facebook and Twitter are automatically going to be in these languages. And so this is an example of a comment screen if your phone was in French. So I'm going to take 20 seconds and tell you quickly.
Very cool.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
No, it's yeah, really kick-ass, impressive. Now, yeah, so you did that for free for us.
Well, it wasn't exactly free.
It wasn't? OK. Well, no. So explain. Can the room get it?
The room can get it, and everything I just showed you is not a custom iPhone app. We're a platform for building iPhone apps. So anybody, in just a few minutes with no programming knowledge, can go to mobileroadie.com, sign up, get instant access to build their app. It's incredibly inexpensive. $500 to start, $30 a month. The $30 scales up a little bit based on activity, but it's pennies on the dollar compared to doing it yourself. You have a full content management system. Any content you want to update gets instantly updated in the app. This really can apply to almost anything. You can move things around and rename things. And we're announcing here today that we're going to have full Android support in January of 2009. So we're also really excited about that.
And I guess you're doing more mobile platforms after that.
Yes, we will.
Very cool.
So have fun. Thank you. You know, we're a young company. We want to hear what you think. I take criticism well, so here's my email.
It does. They've been changing. Wait, you've been changing the app like twice already. You've been.
You emailed us twice at 2 in the morning last night. We made some changes.
That's right, actually. To get the, any change in the program, it's up there. If it's not, just tweet it, tell us, we'll change it. And yeah, I've been a demanding free customer. So thank you so much, Michael.
Thank you, Louis.
For that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Michael.
Appreciate it.